Hi, I'm Vincent here, and my recommendation is that you should do your seat cover and lamination only from Orchis Bicroli. The reason why, because they've got immense experience and they will advise you the proper one. And if you're not doing from here, you are missing something drastically very bad. If you go to the other place, they will charge you exorbitant price. I went to 10 shops, but this is the best one. If anybody wants to do it, please do it from here. Thank you.
Don't wake me up, cause it feels like I'm dreaming on clouds. I'm up so high, caught a flight, I might never come down. After all these years, found out we're the missing pieces. I'm up so high, caught a flight, I might never come down. Don't wake me up, cause it feels like I'm dreaming on clouds. I'm up so high, caught a flight, I might never come down. After all these years, found out we're the missing pieces. Got through all the tears, I guess it's hard to believe.